impeached. Okay, now you can see the question, you can see the answer. What they have done is अभी का event and उस event से related historical event भी पूछ रहा है, because Donald Trump का impeachment अभी हुआ है. Now previous impeachment of previous president is now of continuing significance. ठीक है, this is one type of question. Okay. Now we have seen if जिन्होंने Trump impeachment के बारे में पढ़ा होगा, they must have read about the role of Ukraine here. Now what happened between Ukraine and USA was a matter of international affairs. So this ये international affairs में भी आ जा रहा है and current event में भी आ जा रहा है. Okay. Yes, this is also a part of international affairs. Name the former vice president of USA, who has been whose name has been replaced with two in the passage above. Okay, now former vice president is very much relevant to the Trump impeachment process. Okay, Joe Biden. Joe Biden is the rival of Donald Trump. Joe Biden का जो son है Hunter Biden. ये तीनों काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है ट्रम्प इम्पीचमेंट और ट्रम्प के अगेंस्ट जो चार्जेस हैं. ओके, नाउ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यूएस में इम्पीचमेंट हो रहा है. दैट इज व्हाई द इम्पीचमेंट प्रोसेस हैज कम ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ आवर लीगल नॉलेज. तो यहाँ पे यूएस में हो रहा है इम्पीचमेंट, दैट इज फाइन. नाउ टेल मी इंडिया में कैसे होता है, क्या होता है. नाउ दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो हियर. सो उन्होंने पूछा, टेल मी द आर्टिकल अंडर व्हिच इंडियन प्रेसिडेंट कैन बी इम्पीच्ड. सो दिस इज रिलेटेड लीगल नॉलेज हियर. Similarly, related legal knowledge, इससे दो क्वेश्चन पूछा. So we can see here, out of 5 questions, they have asked 2 questions from related legal knowledge, 1 question from historical event, and 2 questions from the current affairs. So सिर्फ so current affairs से सिर्फ 2 questions पूछे उन्होंने. 2 questions हमारे उन्होंने पूछे लीगल नॉलेज से, एंड 1 question पूछा हमारा हिस्ट्री से, जो कि एक स्टैटिक का पार्ट हो जाता है. नाउ लेट अस सी आवर सेकंड एग्जांपल. ओके, कैन एनीवन टेल मी ये पैसेज जो किस चीज से रिलेटेड है? यू कैन सी द पैसेज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. टेल मी ये पैसेज रिलेटेड किस चीज से है? CAA? Not really. Tribals removed from Mizoram to Tripura, yes. Vidhi, Bru tribes, yes. This passage is related to, yes, Bodo Accord. हमारा one of the topics which is very relevant this year is Bodo Accord. So Bodo Accord, Bodo Accord, this group of tribe, there's a Bru tribe of Mizoram. इनका एक डील हुआ है इंडियन गवर्नमेंट से, which is to give them some autonomy in the Bodo land. Okay, so this power government is exercising under 6th schedule of the constitution. Okay, now हम यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन समझ रहे हैं और टॉपिक समझ रहे हैं. टॉपिक रिलेट करता है event which has happened now, event which relates to tribal groups of northeastern states, which is Mizoram and Tripura. Okay, let's see कि अब इस पैसेज से रिलेटेड वो किस वैरायटी के क्वेश्चन सब पूछ सकते हैं. ना ये पैसेज देखिए थोड़ा सा हमें ये समझ में आ रहा है कि सिंस ये ट्राइबल ग्रुप से है तो थोड़ा एथनिसिटी, रेस एंड हिस्ट्री, आर्ट एंड कल्चर वगैरह से पूछ सकते हैं. बट लेट्स सी एक्चुअली उन्होंने कौन कौन से क्वेश्चंस पूछे हैं. Okay, the first. They're simply asking about the name of the tribe, event of significance. जो current affairs है, current affairs से related ये question पूछा उन्होंने. Same, they're asking what has been displaced with 1 and 2. That is, state का नाम पूछ रहे हैं, the state which is related to the event. So this is also current affairs. Now, what is the name of the act passed in 1958? They're asking 1958 में कौन सा act pass हुआ? So they went to history now. Okay, they went to history now and उस act को थोड़ा सा describe करके पूछ रहे हैं act कौन सा है. Now this falls under two categories. One, it falls under history, historical event of continuing significance, and second is related legal knowledge because they talk about an act. Okay. Now question number 4. So this is also a part of a historical event of continuing significance. Why? This question is not directly related to the border accord. The answer is Iram Sharmila. Iram Sharmila is not protesting for anything related to border accord, but she's protesting for ASFA. So this is a historical event of continuing significance. Then we again have one more question from history, which is named the merger agreement, which related in Tripura becoming part of India. Okay, so हमने देखा out of 5 questions हमारे हिस्ट्री के 3 क्वेश्चंस हैं, जिसमें से एक correlates with our legal knowledge and 2 questions हैं हमारे current affairs के. Okay, so conclusion of these 2 example is do not restrict yourself to the current affairs. हमने दोनों examples में देखा दोनों questions CLAT के direct दिए हुए हैं, मीनिंग देयर बाय कि वो सिर्फ करंट अफेयर से नहीं पूछ रहे. करंट अफेयर्स उन्हें सिर्फ हेल्प कर रहा है टॉपिक चूज करने में कि हम किस किस टॉपिक से पूछे, उससे सिर्फ 30% या 40% वो क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. उसके बाद रेस्ट ऑफ दी 60% वो या तो स्टैटिक से पूछ रहे हैं या तो लीगल नॉलेज से पूछ रहे हैं. स्टार्टिंग में हमारा हिस्ट्री आ सकता है, स्टार्टिंग में हमारा आर्ट एंड कल्चर आ सकता है, एंड उसके बाद वो लीगल नॉलेज से पूछ रहे हैं. Okay, any doubt till now? हमने दो. Any doubt till now? Okay, moving on. So how to prepare? A very important question. आप लोग I think आप लोग में से सारे 2021 के क्लैट के लिए अपीयर करेंगे. Tell me if I am wrong. अदिति आप कब प्रिपेयर करो, आप कब अपीयर करोगे? 22. Okay, so great opportunity for Aditi and Ashika. Okay, so ओके कोमल, हमारा पहले प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी क्या था? वी यूज्ड टू रीड न्यूज़पेपर्स डेली, मंथन में डेली अपडेट्स आते थे जीके के, वीकली अपडेट्स आते थे मंथन में जीके के, उनके नोट्स बनाते थे एंड वी यूज्ड टू रिवाइज दैट नोट्स. दैट इज व्हाट वाज आवर प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर अर्लियर क्लैट. बस वो नोट्स बनाना, नोट्स रिवाइज करना, उससे हमारा हो जाता था, काफी कुछ हो जाता था. ओके, वन लाइनर्स क्वेश्चंस आते थे, बट अभी एज यू हैव सीन सिचुएशन इज अ बिट डिफरेंट. वन लाइनर्स से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. जस्ट नोइंग वन फैक्ट अबाउट वन इंसिडेंट will not matter. What you have to do is you have to know in-depth knowledge of a current event. In-depth आपको पता कर रखना है कि क्या हुआ, क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ. For example, one of the very debated topics in recent time is CA and RC. It's a very debated topic. Okay, a normal layman would know only limited amount of information with related to CAA and NRC. But what is expected of you is that you have an in-depth knowledge that how events have happened, and what is the related law, what is the analysis of those events, what do experts say, and what will be the impact of it. Okay, just give me a 1 minute. I'll be back in 1 minute. Yes. Yes, moving on. तो सबसे पहले we have to start, we have to make a reading habit. We have to develop a reading habit. Reading habit is very important and very crucial for our preparations. आपने अपने इंग्लिश के क्लास में, लॉजिकल के क्लास में, हर जगह ये चीज ऑब्जर्व किया होगा. रीडिंग बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारे क्लास के लिए, बहुत ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू जीके, ये हमारे लिए दो तरीके से इंपॉर्टेंट हो जा रहा है फ्रॉम दिस ईयर ऑनवर्ड्स. फर्स्ट, हमारा रीडिंग स्पीड तो बढ़ रहा है. सेकेंड थिंग इज we cannot have an in-depth knowledge of a topic without reading multiple articles, multiple sources of such knowledge. Okay, so two newspapers I would suggest. If you have a very good reading habit, अगर आपका reading habit पहले से बहुत अच्छा है, you can go for two newspapers, Hindu and Indian Express. Otherwise, if you don't have a very good reading habit but you are looking to develop it, you can start with the Hindu. Okay, now these two newspapers are very important. आपका रोज का सुबह उठने के साथ आपका हैबिट होना चाहिए that you read the newspapers. Now newspapers में हमें क्या पढ़नी है? Our special focus on newspapers should be editorials and opinions. Now editorials and opinions पढ़ने से हमारे दो फायदे होते हैं. एक, हमें उस इवेंट के बारे में एनालिसिस मिल जाता है एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड दूसरा, these opinion and editorials also have a lot of facts in them, जो कि फैक्ट्स में भी हमारे पिछले न्यूज आर्टिकल्स में छूट गया. फॉर एग्जांपल, आज कुछ हुआ है तो वो सिर्फ कल के न्यूज़पेपर्स में आएगा, बट ओपिनियन एंड एडिटोरियल्स ऑन टुडेज इवेंट आने वाले एक हफ्ते, 2 हफ्ते तक आते रहेंगे. सो अगर आप एडिटोरियल्स पे स्टिक करते हो तो आपका फैक्ट्स, जीके से रिलेटेड फैक्ट्स भी आपका कवर होते रहेगा जो मे बी आपका छूट गया. सो यू कम टू नो न्यू थिंग्स. Secondly, you get to know the opinion of different experts. That is हमारा editorials और opinion का importance is huge. Okay, then we have Financial Times. Now, Financial Times इस बार I have included because of one reason, that is we are going through a sort of financial emergency. एक तरीके के financial emergency से अब हम वही गुजर रहे हैं. Situation is as such that a lot of things related to finance, country's economy will take place. RBI will take multiple decisions. Government will announce multiple packages. We'll see after the COVID situation gets better. We'll see how the finance economy of our country emerges. So we have to know the details of what will happen and how things will impact on different aspects. तो हमारा फाइनेंशियल टाइम्स इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, बट फाइनेंशियल टाइम्स थोड़ा टेक्निकल भी हो जाता है. सो प्लीज चूज एज पर योर कैपेसिटी. अपने आप को बहुत इतना ओवरबर्डन नहीं करना है कि आप फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाओ. धीरे 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 स्टार्ट करते हैं. नाउ ये 3 न्यूज़पेपर्स इज व्हाट आई वुड एडवाइस. दिस इज माय पर्सनल एडवाइस. उसके बाद हमारे मैगजीन्स, इंडिया टुडे, आउटलुक, बिजनेस लाइन, ये मैगजीन्स भी काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. द रीजन बीइंग कि क्लैट ने स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया है कि वो सिर्फ हमारे न्यूज़पेपर से पूछेंगे. दे यूज द वर्ड journalistic sources. Now this journalistic sources, huge source of this is our magazines. Now these magazines, they often publish a lot of things a newspaper won't. For example, different index, different analysis, uh, a story of current significance जो newspaper cover नहीं करते हैं. So these magazines are also important, and these magazines are interesting also. They're very interesting to read. Okay, and then for beginners you can start with India Today, or you can start with Reader's Digest also. Reader's Digest won't give you a lot of current affairs or something related to GK, but it is a fun magazine to read. So if you want to develop a reading habit of magazine, you can start with Reader's Digest. Okay, so then we come to our blog articles. Uh, yes, I'm sorry, there was some error, some technical issue. Yes, continuing. So yes, blog articles. हमारा we saw one of the sources for CLAT sample papers was Live Mint. So we can safely say that articles from these websites which are having some authority, are important. So आपको whenever you are browsing through internet or your phone, आपको कोई भी आर्टिकल मिलता है जो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है, प्लीज डू रीड एंड प्लीज मेक एन हैबिट ऑफ reading those articles on your phone. This is one of the biggest advantage we have, that we can read on the go. So थोड़ा सा भी आपके पास कभी भी टाइम है, you're traveling or anything, please read articles on your phone on these websites. These websites can be Live Mint. You can download an app of Bar and Bench. आप सबको पता होगा, आपके क्लैट के भी न्यूज बार एंड बेंच पब्लिश करती है. So Bar and Bench is a very good source of legal news. Live Mint, we have other blogs which you can get updates from Google as well. So do not limit. And also there are websites and blog articles of international publications also. For example, you can get articles from the Independent, the Guardian. These are news papers published in United States. So their articles are very relevant when it comes to international events. Okay. Now, what do you do after you read? आपको एक काफी बड़ा प्रॉब्लम आपको ये दिखेगा, मे बी अभी ना समझ में आए, is what you read now, that this is May 2020. What you read now, you have to remember it till your CLAT exam, that is May 2021. तो ये चीज हम कैसे करें ना? आप इतना वॉल्यूम पढ़ लोगे एट द एंड ऑफ दिस ईयर कि ये चीज थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होगा मैनेज करना. देन द वे टू मैनेज दिस इज टू प्रिपेयर योर नोट्स. काफी वी कैन सॉर्ट आवर नोट्स बेस्ड ऑन द टॉपिक्स. आपने कौन से टॉपिक पे कहाँ पढ़ा, क्या पढ़ा. You can make notes based on facts. What are the facts of this topic? What are the arguments from both the sides if it is a controversial event? What are the historical significance of those topics? Okay, so your notes will be very important, only because आप जो पढ़े हो वो भूल ना जाओ, क्योंकि this happens with a lot of people. आपका मई जून जो आप करोगे, आप ऑफ कोर्स 12 मंथ्स के बाद यू वोंट बी एबल टू रिमेंबर इट सो इजीली. सो आपका नोट्स इस तरीके से डिजाइंड भी होना है कि आप उसको बहुत ही आसानी से रिवाइज भी कर पाओ. या इट हैज टू बी क्रिस्प, इट हैज टू बी कस्टमाइज्ड टू योर नीड्स. आपको बहुत लेंदी नोट्स लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपका नोट्स बस इतना होना चाहिए कि यू कैन रिवाइज 1 पेज इन 1 मिनट और लेस देन 1 मिनट, based on your habits कि आप क्या देखते हो, आप कैसे समझते हो. If you like colors, you can use colors. If you like highlighters, you can use highlighters. It totally depends on you and your comfort. Okay, now you can also make notes date wise if you are preparing for other exams also, apart from CLAT. If you're preparing for symbiosis and everything. Now ये चीज थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है कि आपको दोनों तरीके से करना पड़ेगा. मेजरली बिकॉज क्लैट का सिलेबस अब जीके में एकदम अलग हो गया है एंड इनका थोड़ा अलग हो. दे विल आस्क मोर फ्रॉम स्टैटिक. दे विल लुक फॉर योर नॉलेज बेस्ड ऑन ओल्ड प्रेपरेशन. सो किसी और ने अपना सिलेबस चेंज नहीं करा है. सो इट वुड बी वेरी अनवाइज कि आप इस चीज को छोड़ दो. ओके, बट डिपेंडिंग ऑन यू, आप पे कितना प्रेशर हो रहा है, आप ये कर पा रहे हो या नहीं कर पा रहे हो. आई वुड सजेस्ट अगर if you have a good capacity, you can prepare note date wise also, or you can prepare your notes topic wise notes in such a way कि आपके this exam and बाकी exams में भी help हो जाए. Okay, now हमारा CL का aspiration पे you must be knowing Manthan publish होता है. Now there are two kinds of Manthan. The older Manthan based on the old pattern, and Manthan 2.0. Manthan 2.0 gives आपका जो current events है उन events को explain करता है. So every day you get explanation on one topic. Okay, and हमारा जो old Manthan है वो आपको weekly updates देता है कि this week all over the world क्या क्या हुआ, which are significant for our CLAT purposes. You can use these to make your notes, you can use these to understand, but do not limit yourself to these. Earlier we used to say कि हमारे GK के लिए मंथन is enough, but things have changed now. You have to make sure that you have a long-term reading habit of multiple sources. Yes, with the April तक हमारा मंथन अभी upload हुआ है. They will make sure अभी हमारे this year CLAT के लिए 21 के लिए events होने पहले ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, so that we can have something after something on that topic. So after हमारा ये जो कोरोना stuff जो अभी चल रहा है इसके कारण काफी सारे events भी नहीं हो रहे, बहुत सारी चीजें डिले हो रहे, पोस्टपोन हो रहे. Okay, so the team is having difficulty making these notes given that they don't have any they don't have much topic on this, but I'm sure they will publish new schedule. They'll start publishing new Manthan 2.0. Okay, and the last thing is to keep reading books. Books are very important, and for the purpose of our GK, non-fiction books. Okay, I'm not saying that you should not read fiction. You should read fiction. It's completely up to you, but fiction won't help in our GK preparation. Fiction will help in our non-fiction will only help in our GK preparation. Although fiction books will help in your reading habit, it will help in your vocabulary, it will help in your English section, but not in GK. But if you like reading fiction, please do read. Yes. How do we आपने ये चीज देखा होगा. Yes, I'll come to that, Sarfaraz. I'll come to that. आपने ये चीज देखा होगा आपके टेलीग्राम चैनल पे आता है LST for law and LST for CLAT पे. These are selections of the articles आपके हिंदू और इंडियन एक्सप्रेस के. Yes. So you can use this for your benefit also. This is not very this is not something जिस पे आप strictly वो करो. ये सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं पढ़ना. You should and you can read more than these also, but these are the most important. इतना तो आपको पढ़ना ही है रोज. Okay. Yes, Ashwat, this comes in noon, but you can use these names, use these topics to see if you have completed all of them or not. Okay, now how to choose our non-fiction books. So first हम देखते हैं कि compilations, biography and autobiography of persons related to the current events. For example, हमारा चंद्रयान लॉन्च हुआ है लास्ट ईयर. नाउ दिस चंद्रयान लॉन्च के कारण हमारे कंट्री का जो हिस्ट्री है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू स्पेस एक्सप्लोरेशन वो काफी लाइमलाइट में आ चुका है. सो दिस बुक बाय एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम, विंग्स ऑफ फायर, ये काफी अच्छा एंड काफी इंपॉर्टेंट बुक हो जाता है हमारे लिए. इफ वी रीड दिस, काफी सारे जनरल नॉलेज की चीजें हमें पता चलेंगे. We'll have a detailed analysis of how our space programs have developed. Secondly, second, we can see articles and speeches by Arun Jaitley, a compilation. Okay, so Arun Jaitley is a person who is of current significance to the current event because of his sad demise. So his articles and his speeches ये काफी you know, काफी अच्छे हैं. अगर if you want to read this, it will give you more knowledge on Arun Jaitley's term, Arun Jaitley's life. But हमारे current affairs and उसमें I think 10 to 20% ही knowledge मिलेगा. But this book still is of relevance. Now coming to our books related to historical events. Now we can see the first three books. Our Moon Has Blood Clots, Curfewed Nights, and Kashmir Behind the Veil. Now these three books are related to Kashmir. And since abrogation of Article 370, Kashmir has become a very current topic. And these books are related to the historical events related to Kashmir. So this book is this. We can read this book, and then you can see the fourth number, Flu, the story of great influenza pandemic of 1918. Now, this is of extreme importance because of current corona pandemic going on. So we need to know the pandemic in the history, which was in 1918 we had Spanish flu, one of the greatest pandemic of our century. Even corona भी compete नहीं कर पाया हमारे Spanish flu से. So this is how we choose non-fiction books. Any doubt till now? Any questions? We'll start doing some questions then after this. Any questions, anyone? Well, you can for new module for static GK. Well, you will have to inquire from the head office of CL for that. And static GK, हमारा static GK is won't depend on one book. हमारा static GK will depend on current events, current affairs. So जो भी हमारा static GK का portion है वो मंथन में publish होते रहेगा. But you cannot predict static GK वो क्या पूछेंगे from beforehand, because क्या वो पूछेंगे will depend on the current affairs. Okay. If you are looking to give only CLAT, then daily notes is not important. But that would be taking a lot of risk because CLAT has limited colleges, and you should be prepared for other exams also. Okay. And yes, Manthan 2.0 will start publishing. No, please have patience. Abhi, they'll start publishing, and there are a lot of Manthan 2.0 articles which is relevant for our 2021 exams also. So you can read that. Till now, they'll start publishing again. Please have some patience. Okay, it's extremely difficult for everyone to work in this COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, any other questions? For static GK, I would recommend the book you get from CL and Pearson Concise General Knowledge Static GK book from Pearson. The Pearson Concise, I think the name of the book is. I like that book. I used that book for my preparations. Okay, so that's it. We'll continue. We'll now solve some questions. Okay. Okay. सो मंथन 2.2 से आपको काफी सारे टॉपिक्स पता चल जाएंगे कि आपको क्या क्या टॉपिक्स को कवर करना है, मिनिमम आपको कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स कवर करने हैं. एंड देन जो मंथन 2.0 है विल यूज मंथन 2.0 एज आवर guiding materials, but do not restrict yourself to Manthan 2.0. You have to have a long-term reading habit. I cannot emphasize enough on that. But let's start. Our first topic is CGI Office under RTI. Few old students must have done this topic. And for new students, what we are trying to do here is कि rather than हम एक passage करें and then questions बनाए, for our preparations for our class we'll try to solve the questions directly from a topic, so that हमारा preparation करने का speed काफी अच्छा हो, हम काफी सारे facts cover कर सके. Yes, it is very much relevant for our 2021 because this judgment is of 2020. Okay, and this judgment will have continued repercussions till 2021. So I'm very sure in my legal experience हमारा ये जो CGI एंड RTI का ऑफिस है इससे रिलेटेड और जजमेंट्स आएंगे अभी एंड और आर्टिकल्स आएंगे इस पे और डेवलपमेंट्स होंगे. सो इन ऑर्डर टू अंडरस्टैंड दोस वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस टॉपिक आल्सो. ओके, मूविंग ऑन. The Honorable Supreme Court ruled that office of CGI is what under the RTI Act? Aditya Singh says public authority. Vidhi says CIO. Any other answer? Yes, public authority is the correct answer. Correct answer from Aditya. Okay. Which section of RTI Act defines public authority? Yes, 2H. 2H is correct. Yes, Prakhar, you'll receive a list of topics which is relevant for 2021. Yes, 2H is correct. Aditya, for correct answer from Aditya again. Okay. Which act did this RTI Act 2005 replaced? Yes, the answer is Freedom of Information Act 2002. हमारा RTI Act 2005 replaced Freedom of Information Act 2002. Okay. Name the RTI activist whose RTI request led to this case. Anyone? Name the RTI activist whose RTI request led to this case. Answer is Subhash Agrawal. So Subhash Agrawal, he filed an RTI with the Supreme Court, administrative side of the Supreme Court, asking for details of assets of the judges. कि judges जो Supreme Court के judges हैं उनके assets क्या क्या हैं. So Supreme Court, of course, Supreme Court ने information deny कर दिया that we cannot give you this information under the RTI Act. So Subhash Agrawal then appealed to the Chief Information Commission that please tell Supreme Court to give me this information. So the reason given by Supreme Court was that Supreme Court is not a public authority under the RTA Act and is not bound to give information to the general public. So here, Chief Information Commission, what they said that no, you are a public authority, please give information to Subhash Agarwal. So what happened after this? Anyone? सुप्रीम कोर्ट, चीफ इंफॉर्मेशन कमीशन ने ऑर्डर कर दिया सुप्रीम कोर्ट को इंफॉर्मेशन देने के लिए. तो एंड ऑफ कोर्स सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहीं ना कहीं अपील फाइल करेगी. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहां अपील फाइल करा? यस, दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट. करेक्ट. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अपील फाइल करा दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट में. एंड देन उसके बाद what did Delhi High Court say? Delhi High Court ने बोला कि yes, Supreme Court falls under public authority under the RTA Act. Supreme Court, please give the information what this person is asking. Yes. Then उसके बाद Supreme Court कहाँ अपील करने गई? After Delhi High Court, where will you go? Yes, Supreme Court then filed an appeal with the Supreme Court itself. That is, the administrative side of the Supreme Court filed an appeal to the judicial side of the Supreme Court. Okay, so now Supreme Court examined the provisions. Yes, Pragar, that is a very interesting question. The Supreme Court examined this provision, and Supreme Court said that yes, Supreme Court falls under the definition of public authority under the RTA Act. So Supreme Court is bound to give those information. Yes, and the doubt raised by Prakhar that no one can be a judge in his own court or in his own cause. A very interesting question arises that how can Supreme Court judge in his own case, in its own case? But no one is asking that question. Why is that? The reason being that Supreme Court gave a judgment against itself only. So there's no question of any biasness arise. And there's no other alternative also. Here, there cannot be a parallel body with respect to Supreme Court in cases where Supreme Court itself is involved in litigation. Yes. Which judges were in the panel of the Constitution bench which was set up for this case? Who were the judges? Yes, Ranjan Gogoi, correct. CGI itself, yeah. Okay, DY Chandrachud. Anyone else? Deepak Mishra. Okay, it was CJI Ranjan Gogoi, Deepak Gupta, Sanjeev Khanna, NV Ramana, and DY Chandrachud. Justice Deepak Mishra was not there. He was retired by then, ex-CJI. Okay. Within how many days does a public authority has to answer a RTI query? Yes, 30 days is correct. 30 days is correct answer. Okay. Moving on to our next topic, Citizenship Amendment Bill or Act. How many times has the Citizenship Act 1955 been amended since enactment? Aditya says 6, Vidhi says 6. Any other answer? Anyone? Everyone says 6. Yes, 6 is correct answer. Moving on. How many methods are there through which citizenship of India can be acquired? Prakhar says 4 or 5. Navneet says 4. Akshita says 5. Okay. What are those 5? There are five methods. What are those five methods? Okay, birth, and naturalization, birth, annexation, descent. Okay. So there are five methods: birth, descent, registration, naturalization, and incorporation of territory. So birth is if you're born in India. Descent is if your father or mother was born in India, but you were not born in India. So since your father, mother were born here, you get the citizenship after you apply. The registration is if you have some route to India, and then after having some route, you live in India for a period of time, then you can apply via registration to get citizenship. And then we have naturalization. Naturalization is for foreigners who want to apply for citizenship in India. They will have to stay in India for a period of time. And then incorporation of territory, which is if India acquires any territory, then the persons living in that territory will get the citizenship. For example, if India acquires Sri Lanka, then all these Sri Lankans will get the Indian citizenship. Okay. By what date a religious minority coming from Afghanistan, Bangladesh, or Pakistan should have come into India to claim citizenship? Yes, 31st December 2014 is correct answer. When did Nehru Liaquat Pact come into force? Nehru Liaquat Pact come into force. Yes, 1950 is correct. 1950 is correct. Who were given the protection under the Nehru Liaquat Pact? Who were given protections under this pact? Nehru Liaquat Pact. Yes, minorities of both the countries, minorities of India and Pakistan, correct. Aditya gave the correct answer. Name the states which have passed assembly resolutions against CAA. Yes, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Punjab, Kerala, not Bihar. Bihar has passed a resolution against NCR, not CAA. NRC, not NCR, NRC. Yes, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Punjab, Kerala is correct. Rajasthan, West Bengal, and Punjab and Kerala is correct. Okay, which state moved to Supreme Court challenging the CAA 2019? Yes, Kerala is correct. Kerala is correct answer. Which articles of the Constitution deals with citizenship? Which article of the Constitution deals with citizenship? Yes, Article 5 to 11 and Article 5 both are correct. Article 5 deals with citizenship. Which article of the Constitution prohibits discrimination on the basis of race, caste, religion, sex, and place of birth? Yes, Article 15 is correct. Article 15 is correct answer. Okay, moving on to our next topic, Mineral Laws Ordinance 2020. Who is the world's largest coal miner? Yes, Coal India, correct. Coal India is correct answer. When was India's coal sector nationalized? Which movie is there on Coal India? Is there a movie on Coal India? Yes, Aditya is correct. 1973 is correct answer. 1973 is correct. How much FDI is allowed in commercial coal mining sector? Everyone understands what is FDI. फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट, एफडीआई क्या होता है? Is anyone who does not understand what is FDI? I'll explain. Yes, 100%. It was recently amendment through this ordinance to be 100%. Yes, and what is captive mining? What do you understand by captive mining? For profit motive? No. Mine that produces coal? No. Yes, Aditya is correct. Company who mines for their own use. For example, if a power company is mining, और थर्मल पावर कंपनी, तो वो कोल को माइन करेंगे एंड कोल को यूज कर लेंगे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बनाने में. सो दे आर माइनिंग नॉट टू सेल बट टू यूज देमसेल्फ. दैट इज कैप्टिव माइनिंग. ओके, सो सबरीमाला पेटिशन, आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर दिस ईयर. ये केस अभी कंटिन्यू होगा, ये केस चलेगा अभी. Okay, what is the size? Yes, it is relevant, Prakhar. The reason being that हमारा सबरीमाला केस तो कंक्लूड हो गया, बट दैट केस का रिव्यू देन अगेन फाइल हुआ एंड दैट रिव्यू इज पेंडिंग विद द सुप्रीम कोर्ट. नाउ उस रिव्यू में सुप्रीम कोर्ट काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस कंसिडर करेगा. दैट इज व्हाई इट becomes of importance, relevant for 2021. Yes, 9-judge constitutional bench, not 5-judge. It's a 9-judge constitutional bench. What are the issues that bench will delve upon? Any broad idea of what are the issues in this review petition? Article 25 in relation with 14. Okay. Yes, Shreya, woman entry in temple, correct? That is the basic Sabrimala issue. Yes. In this review, Supreme Court will not limit itself to the Sabrimala temple. It will go beyond the temple and touch all the related issues. Issues such as entry of women in mosque, barring of Parsi women married to a non-Parsi men from holy fireplace at Agieri, female genital mutilation in Dawoodi Bohra Muslim community, and entry of women in some Hindu temple. So basically, the question before Supreme Court is the conflict between the right to equality of women, right against freedom and right against discrimination of women, and religious freedom of different religions. So this question अभी तक Supreme Court इस question को settle नहीं कर पाया है, and it hopes to settle this question in this Sabrimala review petition, where it will consider these questions also, that what will prevail, rights of women under Article 14, 15 and 17, or the freedom of religion. Okay, who gave the dissenting judgment in the Sabrimala review petition? Not the original petition, but the review petition. Who gave the dissenting judgment? No, she gave the dissenting opinion in the original Sabrimala petition, but not the Sabrimala review petition. Yes, Shreya, correct. D.Y. Chandrachud and R.F. Nariman, correct. D.Y. Chandrachud and R.F. Nariman gave the dissenting opinion in the review petition. Name the board which manages Sabrimala temple. Anyone? Yes, Travancore Devosam board is the correct answer from Shashwat. Travancore Devasambol. In which temple of India the Devi is referred as the bleeding goddess? Yes, uh, Shreya, correct answer from Shreya Kamakhya is the correct answer, Kamakhya temple. Okay, which article of the Constitution provides for right to profess, practice, and propagate religion? Yes, everyone knows answer to this question. Yes, Article 25, and to be more precise, Article 25 to 28. Yes, Article 25 is right to freedom of religion. Okay, which article of the Constitution gives power of review to the Supreme Court? Is 137 correct answer from Shreya? 137 is the correct answer. Okay, moving on to our next topic, ICC Cricket World Cup. Who's the chairman of ICC? Shashwat says S. Manohar. Any other answer? Yes, Shankar Manohar is correct. Okay. Christopher Martin Jenkins Spirit of the Cricket Award of the year 2019 was awarded to which team? Aditya says New Zealand. Any other answer? Anyone? Yes, New Zealand is correct. Who's the captain of ICC Women T20 World Cup team? Indian team. Yes, Harmanpreet Kaur is correct. Again, correct answer from Aditya, Harmanpreet Kaur. Who's the captain of India's under 19 World Cup team? Who's the captain of India's under 19 World Cup team? Yes, Priyam Garg is the correct answer. Priyam Garg, Shashwat gave the first correct answer. Who became the second Indian cricketer after Sachin Tendulkar to play 350 ODIs? Aditya says MS Dhoni. Devansh says MS Dhoni. Yes, MS Dhoni is correct answer. Okay, moving on to our next topic, G20 summit. What is the aim with which G20 was established? G20 किस चीज के लिए काम करता है? What is the aim of G20? Aditya says development, world economy. Yes, Devansh is correct. Financial stability, promotion of international financial stability. Okay, G20 is formally known as what? Well, Summit on Financial Markets and World Economy. Summit on Financial Markets and World Economy. When will India host G20 meeting? Yes, 2022 is correct. Correct answer from Shashwat. How does how often does G20 meet? Yes, every year, once a year. Correct. First correct answer from Prakhar. Which country is a permanent guest and always participates in G20 summit? Which country is a permanent guest and always participates in G20 summits? Yes, Spain is correct. Correct answer from Devansh. First correct answer. A G20 summit 2019 was held in which country? Yes, Japan, correct. Aditya, first correct answer from Aditya. Who was appointed as Prime Minister Narendra Modi Sherpa for the G20 Summit 2019? Yes, Suresh Prabhu is correct answer. Which city of Japan can soon become sister city of Ahmedabad? Yes, Kobe is correct, not Tokyo, Kobe. Okay. Moving on to the next topic, Brexit. Brexit is also important for us. The reason being that Brexit is UK is currently under a transition period, which will end this year, December 31st. So since Brexit is a continuing event, it is relevant for us. It is not. It has not already happened. It is happening. Who is the Prime Minister of Britain? Yes, Boris Johnson, correct. Okay, UK stopped being a member of EU from which date? 31st January 2020. Yes, correct answer, 31st January 2020. After Brexit, how many countries will be left in European Union? Yes, 27 is correct. Earlier it was 28, now 27 countries. What are the two political parties of European Union? Not political parties, political bodies of European Union. No, it's not Labour. Aditya says Parliament. Okay. Yes, the answer is European Parliament and European Council. European Parliament and European Council. Okay, what is the period that is 31st December 2020 to 31st December 31st January 2020 to 31st December 2020 known as? Yes, Aditya is correct. Transition period is the transition period. So in this transition period, Brexit, the provisions of Brexit will not apply. The provisions for European Union laws of European Union will apply in UK. And after 31st December 2020, the actual Brexit will happen. Under which treaty a member state wishing to leave European Union should first notify the European Council its decision? Yes, Lisbon Treaty, correct. Article 50 of the Lisbon Treaty. Okay. Next topic, Gaganyaan. Which rocket will be used in Gaganyaan mission? Yes, GSLV Mark III, correct. GSLV Mark III is correct. Name the countries which has collaborated with India in this mission. There are two countries who has collaborated with India. What is the name of two countries? Yes, Russia and France, correct. Name the robot made by ISRO who will travel along with the astronauts. Yes, Vyom Mitra, correct. Who is the mission head of Gaganyaan mission? It's Dr. V.R. Lalitambika. Dr. V.R. Lalitambika. Okay. Kulbhushan Jadhav case. Now, why is this case again on the light? कुलभूषण का जजमेंट तो आ गया था, बट ये फिर से हमारे करंट अफेयर्स में क्यों आ सकता है? Anyone? There's a statement by Harish Salve 2-3 days back. The Harish Salve who fought the Kulbhushan Jadhav case in ICJ. Yes, Ashwat, you are very correct. Hari Salve said that we, in order to get actual relief, हमें फिर से ICJ जाना पड़ सकता है, because ICJ did not acquit Kulbhushan Jadhav from anything in the previous judgment. ICJ ने बस इतना बोला था that कुलभूषण यादव का ट्रायल फिर से होना चाहिए. So पाकिस्तान फिर से कुलभूषण यादव का ट्रायल करेगा. फिर से of course Pakistan will not give a good judgment, biased, unbiased judgment. So we'll have to visit ICJ again. Yes, it just, yeah, counselor access and a retrial. Okay. In this case, Pakistan was alleged to have violated which treaty? This treaty talks about consular access. Yes, Vienna Convention on Consular Relation. Vienna is not the exact answer. There are a lot of Vienna Conventions. So this is Vienna Convention on Consular Relations. Which lawyer represented Indian ICJ? Everyone knows this. Yes, Hari Salve is correct. Okay, which article of the treaty has been alleged to have been violated? Which article of the treaty has been alleged to have been violated? Yes, Article 36 is correct. Who's the president of ICJ? Well, it's Abdul Kavi Ahmad Yusuf. The president of ICJ is Abdul Kavi Ahmad Yusuf. Yes, correct answer from Aditya. When was Kulbhushan Jadhav sentenced to death by Pakistan military court? When was he sentenced to death? Yes, April 2017 is correct. April 2017. He has been alleged to have been abducted from which country? Pakistan ने किस country से abduct किया? Shashwat says Iran. Yes, Shashwat is correct. Iran is correct answer. Who are 5 countries who always have a judge in the ICJ? There are 5 countries who always have a judge in ICJ. Yes, P5 is correct. Powerful 5. France, Russia, China, UK, and US. France, Russia, China, UK, and US. Okay. Our next topic, Olympics. Where did Olympic Games originate from? Yes. Greece is correct. Athens is not correct. Greece is correct. Where does Olympic get its name from? Yes, Olympia. Olympia is a city and also a name of a god in Greece. So Olympic Games gets its name from Olympia. When and where did the first modern Olympic Games were held? Yes, Athens is correct. 1896 in Athens. So modern Olympics originated from Athens. Modern Olympics start हुआ Athens से, but originally हमारा Athens start हुआ है ग्रीस में ओलंपिया सिटी से, ओलंपिया विलेज. Which continent is not represented in Olympic official symbol? Yes, Antarctica is correct. What is the official Olympic motto? What is the official Olympic motto? Yes, Ceteris Altius Fortis, correct. Meaning thereby, meaning of Ceteris Altius Fortis is swifter, higher, and stronger. Ceteris Altius in Fortis. How many types of Olympics are there? No, not 2. There are 4 types of Olympics. Summer Olympics, Winter Olympics, Paralympics, and Youth Olympics. There are four types of Olympics. What is the 2020 Olympics officially known as? Olympic 34? No. This game of 32 Olympiad. Game of 32 Olympiad. What is the official mascot of Tokyo Olympics? Yes, it's Miraitova and Somaiti. Miraitova and Somaiti. In which year Olympics were not held? There are 3 years in which Olympics were not held as per the schedule. 40, 16, 18. Yes, 16, 40 and 44. 1916, 1940 and 1944 because of World War I and World War II. What are the official languages of Olympics? Yes, English, French, and language of the host country. Correct. What are the 5 new sports which have been added in this Olympics? Well, the 5 sports are baseball, karate, skateboarding, sport climbing, and surfing. Okay, so far, how many medals has India won in Olympics? Yes, 28 is correct. Shreya is correct here. 28 is correct answer. Name the scheme launched by Indian government launched to provide assistance to India's top athletes. Scheme launched by Indian government to provide assistance to India's top athlete. Yes, Shreya, correct. Target Olympic Podium. Target Olympic Podium. Who was the first president of Indian Olympic Association? First president of Indian Olympic Association. Yes, Dorabji Tata. Sir Dorabji Tata is correct answer here. And who's the current president of Indian Olympic Association? Yes, Narendra Batra. Correct. Sashwat and Aditya gave the first correct answer. Dr. Narendra Batra. Moving on to our next topic, climate change. Name the action plan of India, which covers 8 major missions covering enhancement of energy efficiency, sustainable habitat, water, sustaining the Himalayan ecosystem, Green India, sustainable agriculture, and knowledge of climate change launched in 2008. There is an action plan launched by India. It covers all the major goals of having a green environment, green and clean environment to save the environment. What is the action? What is the name of it? The action plan? It is NAPCC, National Action Plan on Climate Change. Okay, name the initiative launched by Narendra Modi on solar energy jointly with President of France in Paris in the sidelines of COP21. Yes, correct. ISA, Indian Solar Alliance. International Solar Alliance, correct. Aditya gave the correct answer. What is the full form of FAME? In FAME scheme, which aims to boost sale of eco-friendly vehicles. Full form of FAME scheme. There is faster adoption and manufacturing of hybrid and electric vehicles. Faster adoption and manufacturing of hybrid and electric vehicles. What is the purpose of Ujala scheme? Yes, Aditya, correct. That is to replace 77 crores incandescent lamps with LED bulbs. When was IPCC, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, set up? IPCC कब set up हुआ था? The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. Anyone? Yes, 1988. Correct. Vidhi. Correct answer. 1988. According to Global Climate Risk Index, what is the India's rank as most vulnerable country to climate change? What is India's rank in most vulnerable country to climate change? Yes, fifth is correct. Fifth is very correct. And we can actually see the vulnerability of India with respect to climate change. Last year itself, we have seen a flood in our state, Bihar flood. We have seen Kerala flood. Then we saw cyclone in Odisha. So in 1 year itself, इतने सारे चीजें हो रहे हैं and a lot of people get affected. Yes, we can see it in front of our eyes कि कैसे चीजें बदल रहे हैं, कैसे चीजें हो रहे हैं. Yes, fifth is correct. Vidhi is correct. How many COPs have taken place till date? Yes, 25 is correct. When and where the first COP took place? First UNFCCC COP took place. When and where? Anyone? Well, it's 1995 in Berlin, Germany. Yes, 1995 in Berlin, Germany. Okay, Earth Summit is formally known as what? Earth Summit is formally known as, it's UNFCCC, United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Okay, our last topic, Commonwealth Games. What is Commonwealth? Anyone? UK and colonies. Okay, British colonies. Yes, it is collection of countries linked to Great Britain, either as a colony or some other link, but a collection of country linked to Great Britain. Yes, which is the only country which was under British control earlier, but not a member of Commonwealth. I can see you've seen the answer. Which is the only country which was under British colony earlier, but is not a member of Commonwealth. Yes, Mozambique is correct. Mozambique is correct answer. When was the first official Commonwealth Games held? First official Commonwealth Games. Yes, 1930 in Hamilton, Canada is correct. 1930 in Hamilton, Canada. What is the venue of Commonwealth Games 2022? Venue of Commonwealth Games 2022. Yes, Birmingham City, correct. Birmingham City is correct. Indian Olympic Association has proposed to host which event in 2022 Games? Yes, shooting and archery is correct. Aditya and Sashwat gave the correct answer, shooting and archery. Okay, so that would be all for today, everyone. Any doubt, any question? Okay, thank you, everyone.